Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Mama, you're old, but you're not cold. Oh, Jesus, oh, man. Hi.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. You see it? Yeah, the man said, Mama, you're old, but you're not cold. I don't know, viewers and subscribers, when it comes down to these kind of music, as I said to you, it's like, it just brings vibes out of me what I really and truly like. As I said to you, yeah, me I tell you. But anyways, welcome to another Sunday morning vibes, viewers and subscribers, right? You know, when I do this whole Sunday morning vibes video, here's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, these Sunday morning vibes videos that I present to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know. These Sunday morning vibes videos shows of, you know, different cultures and, you know, different type of worships, you know, and different religions, you know. And, you know, to basically give you a little, you know, to let you have a little look into these kind of religions and churches and cultures and so on, you know, from places right throughout the whole world. You understand me? Yeah, and I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, right? Yeah, and as I talk about videos, I'm going to present one video to you right about now, you see? Oh, and before I present any other video to you, my viewers and subscribers, or any of the other videos to you, here's what I'm saying to you. I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to know that these videos that I'm presenting to you, you see me? The video that I just presented to you and the videos that I'm going to present to you, right? I have no information as to where these videos had been recorded. You understand what I'm saying to you? Yeah. And with that, I'm going to present to you one of the videos that I said that I'm going to show you, my viewers and subscribers. All right? Now, the video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to what had been said about it on social media, is that this video shows of a congregation, you see me? Basically, persons gathered together and they are worshiping their God. You get what I'm saying to you? And, you know, in this video, you will see where persons are moving about in the place that they're at or the place that they're at. You see what I'm saying to you? And, you know, it would seem as if they're gliding or floating. But however, I look at the video carefully and I don't think that they're actually floating or gliding. You see what I'm saying to you? But, you know, I'm going to let you have a look at this video first and then I explain to you what I think or tell you what I think about what had happened in this video. All right? Yeah, and take a look, listen, and observe. Alright, so viewers and subscribers, let me tell you what I think now, you see me? I think that these persons are actually moving their feet really fast, you know, like but because of the clothing, right, the clothing go down, you know, so close down to the ground, you know, it actually hide their feet while it's moving so fast. You understand me? That's my opinion and my point of view. You see me? That's what I think. You see what I'm saying to you? You can let me know if I'm wrong or if I'm right, but I'm just telling you what I think about the video that I just presented to you. Alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present to you now a video where I really and truly like this one. You see what I say? Now this video shows police officers singing within a church. Viewers and subscribers, I think it is just beautiful and I like what I see. You understand me? Yeah, I like what I see. You understand? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
You are
Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want, you know. And this is just another Sunday morning vibes, is what I'm saying to you. Yeah, with all the things that are going on within the world right about now, I think a little Sunday morning vibes can help. Yeah, you know, bring a little church flavor to the thing, you see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, a little worship and so on, alright? So big up and respect to each and every one, you see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and this is where I'm going to leave it, you know? And viewers and subscribers, if you want to contact Dancehall Skilla, just read the description down below the video, and you know, basically just let me know what I think about the videos that I just presented to you, alright? So this is where I leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.